John is in the basement, mixing up the medicine. I'm on the pavement, thinking about the government. Nobody's smoking here. There's smokers over there. There you are, cool as a fucking cucumber. How many smokers do we have here tonight? Smokers? Woo! Listen to that energy they can pump out at will, huh? You bet. Okay. Oh no! Thanks, smokers. Valiant effort on your parts. Next time, just hawk up a chunk of lung when I need you, though, all right? Just rear back and launch a Flim Jim towards the stage. Get one of those raw oysters happening. Hey, Flim shouldn't have legs. Now, I'm no doctor, but I've seen one on TV. You ready for this, smokers? Listen to this. How many non-smokers do we have here tonight? Non-smokers. What a bunch of whining maggots. Bunch of obnoxious, self-righteous slugs. Don't take that on. I'd quit smoking if I didn't think I'd become one of you, I swear to God. I'm willing to die 7 years before my time just so I'll be cool each last fucking day. The worst kind of non-smoker is the one where you're smoking and they just walk up to you. I always say, shit, you're lucky you don't smoke. It's a hell of a cough you got there. I smoke all day and don't cough like that. Maybe you were conceived with a weak sperm or something. Maybe your dad was jacking off and your mom sat on it at the last second.